Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to create a futuristic tech interface background. Start with a blank dark background in Photoshop. Create a grid using the liner tool and reduce opacity. Add circular shapes and align them symmetrically. Use strokes and outer glow for new outlines. Add hexagon or circuit vector shapes for detail. Set their blend mode to overlay for subtle light effect. Add dots and bars to mimic data points. Paint soft blue and cane light glowing using a big brush. Now add a central focal glow with gradient overlay and apply a